dark deception. Oh, another one. How nice to have some company again. Come over here. Let's have a look at you. You disappoint me, love. You really do. So many fears. So many desires. I thought you'd be bigger. Don't look so confused. I know everything you've got hidden in that brain of yours. I know all the terrible things you've done. So many good intentions laid to waste. I could see the regret eating away at your soul. Ha! But now your time has come, and here you are, to grovel and beg. You can't go back. Only death awaits you there now. Fear not, love. You've got potential. I see it in you. And I can help change your fate. But if you want a new life, you're going to have to suffer quite a bit to get it. The pieces to a powerful ring are hidden in nightmares behind each of these portals. Find them and bring them to me, and you'll get your wish. Fail, and you'll find there are fates far worse than death awaiting you here. Clock's ticking. What a charming little hotel. Bring back any memories? Going up? Now listen closely. See those floating bits of crystal? Those are soul shards. Fragments of human spirit scattered throughout the halls of this little maze. Each crystal is a remnant of one who has met their end here. Gather them all, and the first ring piece will be yours. One more thing. You're not alone. There are monsters in here, and they're looking for you. Here, you'll need this. It can detect each shard's location. It was left by the last guest to disappoint me here. A very clever girl, just not a very fast runner. Enough instruction. Break those boards and let's get this party started. Congratulations. That must have been hard to find. Here it comes. Dead already? That's okay. Nobody liked you anyway. Nobody liked you anyway.
Half of the time. I'm impressed. I would have thought you'd have been shredded by You are dead.
Dead already? That's okay. Nobody liked you anyway. You're making it pretty easy to root for the monkeys. It's closing in! Hurry! You are dead. Right behind you! Death by monkey? Oh dear, how embarrassing. You've gathered all of the soul shards. The ring piece is now exposed, and the monsters will go into a frenzy. Get the ring piece before Mr. Monkey finds you.
Who dares?
Shoot, he knows you're here now. You need to escape. Get to the portal. Hurry! Run! Run!
There's no escape for you, mortal.
Good. You made it. And I see you met my friend sooner than I was expecting.
Beers. Still so persistent after all this time. Do not listen to her, mortal. She's just using you. Give her the ring, and there will be consequences. This is your only warning. Help her, and you will suffer.
Pay no attention to him. His powers cannot reach you here. The ring piece. Place it on the table, now! It's been so long. The ring is called the Riddle of Heaven. An ironic name, don't you think? A demon's power is contained inside it. The creature of infinite cruelty that you just met. Malak. Complete the ring, and you can use Malak's power to fulfill your darkest desires. Or so the legend goes. Eight more pieces to go. Are you ready for another nightmare?